Short. What'd you use? How's it going?
Hey, how's it going? Do you mind if I went ahead with it? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Go on, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that looks right. Short. Oh, wet. In the water.
What is that, by the way? Oh, camera?
TikTok.
Taking videos?
Live on TikTok.
Wow.
Do you mind? You want to record your shot?
Okay. Yeah.
Mulligan plus 3 putt.
Pardon me?
Mulligan plus 3 putt on TikTok.
How your kids?
Oh, well, okay.
Stay up, stay up.
Okay.
Caught up.
All right.
It's good.
Thanks, guys.
All right, man. No problem.
Appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Okay.
I went in the water, so there ain't no birdies for me today.
Out here.
Doug, you were what, in the front of the fairway?
Yeah, in the back of the fairway, in front of the green.
In front of the green, yeah. I don't know what it means to have messages. I have no idea. The pin is pretty far to the front. It's
107 to the
107 to the pin, but the wind's coming at us hard, and like it's just swirling. Are you burning?
No.
Use a tee. What's up, Pittsburgh? You can't get it out?
Huh?
There's nobody behind us, right?
Seriously? My brother got his VAPE stuck in the cart. That's like perfect fit. It's like a perfect fit. Oh, get my divot tool.
Oh, yeah.
Here's my divot tool. Here, I got a wood one. It'll be a little easier on it. Here.
Just got a ball marker in it.
Yeah. It's like the cheapest thing they could give us at a golf outing is a wooden divot tool with a little cheap wooden ball marker attached to it. Come on, man. Didn't you like shoot rockets and stuff? I really hope we're breaking 100. This is a really difficult course, though. The course is just, there's so much water.
That's more stuff.
Now it's more stuck?
You did it. Marker just got lost.
All right, where's my vape?
All right, it's fine.
Don't mess with my vape. My VAP. We let a single go ahead of us, so we're just kind of taking a break, letting him finish. Did you see a ball drop area?
No, I didn't.
All right, I'll just...
Oh, maybe it's right there.
No, it's car path
Oh.
only. All right, I'll just put it in, right in the rough, right where it went in. Hey man, I appreciate that. I just started this because I like making videos and I like playing golf, so I figured I'll do it together, and then people like how I talk, I guess, and my page blew up. I never thought it'd be as big as it is. What? He left his ball there? He didn't play, that's where his ball landed. He just left his ball there? Is it Pro V?
No,
Oh. Everybody yelled at me on that one. That one video has got a lot of views where I hit the ball in the water. Like, oh, you gotta take a drop for your story. So I'm gonna do it today. I take a drop instead of another one. I don't want to lose all my balls.
That's right, bomb tech, baby.
Bomb tech. Get up. Ah, this is Steve. What the heck was that?
It was a practice with,
Alright, put the ball back. Did you see that? That don't count. That's a swing. There you go. It didn't go to the right. That's good.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Center cut golf said that doesn't count either.
okay, good.
Good content. Tiny little bit left or right. No, I'm not bumping run. Because my clubs are on the cart and I'm not walking back there. So I'm sitting my club. I'll take that all day. In the hole. Oh, that would have been. You know what? That would have had to been a bogey because of that
Yeah,
shot before.
If I parted, then that would have counted.
That would have counted, and then you picked it up, so it would have been a double four.
One, two, three. What'd you get?
You make me take